It is Bertrhude
and Priscilla.
and we're here with another frequently asked question. We are asked a lot, what does sustainable development mean? And that is a very relevant and very important question. We've got an answer for you. So, when you think of the word sustainable development, at the heart of that word is the word sustainable. And within that word sustainable, words such as maintain, withstand, support, endure, those type of words are evoked when you think of the word sustainable. And so it's no wonder that the United Nations comes up with this epic definition that comes alongside of those different words. That the United Nations says sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the development of future generations. When we look at that word sustainable development, we can already be thinking in that mindset of how do we develop in a way that meets our present need without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs.
So it's a big picture view where you're kind of taking a 6,000 foot view and looking at what are you doing that's helping now, but that's also going to help others within the future. And so when we look at development, there are three pillar model looking at development, and we see that those three pillars are made up of economic aspects of development that talk about business, industry, how do you raise up the economy within the community. You also have the environmental considerations within development, the natural resources, food production, biodiversity of a community. And then the third aspect is social, where you're looking at training, education, fighting poverty in those aspects of development. Now, you take these three considerations, you have to look at them all together. They're codependent, they work together in order to bring about a holistic approach to development.
Definitely. So within P4H, for example, we are all about sustainable development. That's part of our DNA. We won't do something unless it's connected to sustainable development. Even if it's short-term projects, our short-term projects need to have a long-term vision and a long-term goal. And so within sustainable development, we specifically focus on the people. We focus on individuals and the sustainable development of individuals, which impacts economic, and it also impacts the environment long term. So within P4H, one of the buzzwords that we have going on is called capacity development. Now, sustainable development is the goal. Capacity development is the avenue. It's the vehicle that we use to get towards our goal. Capacity development is investing in people. It's investing in the knowledge, in the skills, in the experiences of people so that they have an ability, they've got the capacity to achieve their dreams. Within P4H, we look at everything that we do and we say, how do we make it so that even when we leave Haiti, the Haitian people are stronger than they were when we first encountered them? How can we go alongside of them by giving them the knowledge, skills, experiences that they need in order to really thrive? It's that idea of, instead of giving a man a fish, teaching him how to fish so that when you leave, he can go ahead and not only eat for a lifetime, but maybe in the future he can completely revolutionize the fishing industry because he knows how to fish.
And one of the fondest memories I have of seeing sustainable development and its potential impacts is one of the first times that I went to Haiti. I was able to talk to a young boy. He was about 10 at the time. His name was Frislin, and he was telling me just his hopes and his dreams for the country. And he mentioned to me that he wanted to be a politician because he wanted to turn things around within the country. And at that point, it was just a light bulb that went off within me that said, you know what? What he needs is not handouts, is not clothes, it's not shoes, it's that investment to help him reach his goals in the future, because that's something that will help now and will also help in the future, and it's not hurting future generations as well.
That's definitely right. And so that's why through everything that we do as a nonprofit, we really try to take a sustainable approach, and we don't just give handouts. We look at the people as if a whole. We say, hey, Frislin, that could be the future president of Haiti. Hey, this person can be the future Oprah Winfrey of Haiti. This person could be the future Steve Jobs of Haiti. We really try to look at the dignity of the individual Haitian and invest in their capacity so that they could change their community, they could change their country, they can change the entire world. And so I guess the one thing that we'll leave you with is this. If you've got a vision to really impact and change the world, if you've got this vision and you want to be the change that you want to see in the world, one of the greatest things that you can do is doing things sustainably. Make sure that the framework in which you want to change the world is a framework that is sustainable, whether it's economic, whether it's environmental, or whether you're working with the people. Make sure that you take a sustainable approach, because that's what's really going to change the world for the better.
Yes.